In this video, we are going to see how we can enter the bills of material in QuickBooks. That is the most important part for any manufacturing business. So let's get started. Okay, let's understand about the most important area in the manufacturing company assignment, and that is bill of material or the recipe management system or BOM. So these are all the terms used for it. Basically, this is the recipe to make the finished good. We are in the manufacturing business, right? So we purchase the raw materials from the market and we manufacture it in our factory, and then we produce finished goods. So the finished good have some recipe. So for one shirt, the recipe is 2 meters cloth will be used, 1 bukram will be used 1 meter, 1 cone of thread will be used, and 8 buttons will be used in manufacturing a single shirt. Just remember that mostly for bigger items, bill of materials or recipe is defined for one single item. So if one recipe is defined according to a single unit, that means the same will be followed for 5,000 shirts, same will be followed for 10,000 shirts. Similarly, for pants, this is the recipe. Cloth B is used, bukram, 1 thread is used, 1 zip is used, and button pants is 1. So basically this will make a connection between the raw materials and the finished goods. So this is called inventory assembly. We are assembling from the raw materials and then producing the finished goods. So whenever the finished good is produced, it will consume the raw materials and take it out from the raw materials stock and then produce the finished goods. Now let me show you how we can enter this in QuickBooks. I'll open the new item, and this time I'll not select inventory part. I'll select inventory assembly. And our first inventory assembly is shirts. So this is categorized as finished goods. Click OK. The unit of measure, since we are selling them in pieces, so I'll select the unit of measure of each. Now let's copy and paste the description. You can mention shirts or whatever detail you want to mention. Now what is the cost? I'll mention here use total bill of material cost, because I don't know at this point what will be the total cost. The cost will be according to the raw materials. So it will automatically pick up the cost here. So cost of goods sold account is selected. Sales, I'll select the sales account. Sales price we don't know at this point. And this is the most important section, that is bill of material. Here we will enter the complete recipe. That for one shirt, what we need? We need cloth A. Cost is 100. So how much do we want? 2 meters. Bukram is this item. This is 10 rupees. And quantity is 1. Thread is 1 cone. Now I have made a mistake in the unit of measure of thread. We will correct this, but first let me enter this recipe. And button shirts. Button shirts is in pieces or each. I'll enter 8. So we have the quantity of 2 meters cloth, 1 meter bukram, 1 meter or 1 cone thread, and 8 buttons. Confirm it once, and the total cost of material is 228, and that is the same cost of our shirt. So click OK, and it says bill of material cost exceeds the sales price. Obviously that we haven't mentioned any sales price, so it's 0 and cost is more than that. But let's just ignore this message, because when we enter the first sale, we will ask him to update in the records. So click yes and click OK. Just don't display this message again and click yes. So now that's entered. Let's now edit the unit of measure for thread. I'll right click and click on edit item. And instead of meter, I'll add new. And let's go to other and mention cone here, and C is the abbreviation. So it's showing the warning that now you're changing the unit of measure. Let's click yes. So cone C is the unit of measure. Now, if we check the shirts again, right click and check shirts, this is automatically converted to cone now. So now let's enter the new one, inventory assembly. Now we will enter pants here. Category will be finished goods and unit of measure is each. Let's enter the same here, pence. Choose the cost as use total bill of material cost. Income account will be sales, and let's start entering the items. So the pent recipe is cloth B is used of 2 meters. We use cloth B, 2 meters. Bukram is 1 meter. Thread is 1 cone. Zips is 1 zip, and button pents is 1. So just confirm the recipe once. 2, 1, 1, 1 and 1. First is 2 and all the others are 1. So this total bill of material cost is 340. So this is good. Now should we enter on hand quantity or something like that? No, because at the point of opening inventory, we considered that we only have the raw materials and we don't have any finished goods at the opening point. So we will simply make the recipe like this and click OK. And this is done. So guys, this is how you can enter the bill of materials or the recipe management system in QuickBooks. And this is the most important part in the manufacturing sector. Now most of the transaction will be same, only this manufacturing part is different. So just enter all of this recipe and I'll see you in the next one.